Hello, Serbia. I'm Christian Bokic. Hello from America. And I didn't start playing baseball until I was 7 years old. And I didn't really work hard until about 15 years old. Working hard meaning stretching, throwing, playing catch every day. But it is working hard, but it's also working hard smart. If you're a pitcher, making sure you're stretching all the time, doing pitching specific workouts. And if you're a position player, making sure you're focusing on speed, agility for the outfield or infield and running the bases. But keep working hard, Serbia, and you guys got a bright future.
Hello, Serbia. This is Brad Schwartz coming to you from America. The key to success in baseball is constant hard work and repetition. The way I have gotten to where I am today is through excessive work, working before practice, after practice, on my own on the weekends with my father from a very young age. I started when I was 5, and I was doing all this hard work to get ahead of the game when I was just 6 or 7. I was never the best player, the biggest player, or anything, but I always worked harder, and that's what I suggest for you guys, is to work as hard as you can and be as good as you can.
Hello, Serbia from America. This is Jacob Banks, and as they said before me, working hard is really important, and it's necessary to get where you want to be. But also, what's important is to listen to your coaches and people above you. They've been through what you're going to be going through, and they know how to deal with that and how to get through all that. So, listening to them is definitely important.
Don't wake me up, Don't wake me up, Don't wake me up.